Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Pabbly. So in this video we are going to learn how you can turn your Shopify customers into your MailerCloud contacts automatically. So the idea here is that whenever a new customer sign up to your Shopify store, automatically the same customer should be added as a new contact to your MailerCloud contact list. For doing this, we need to create a connection between Shopify and MailerCloud so that whenever a new customer is created into your Shopify store, automatically the same customer is added to the MailerCloud contact list. So in this integration, we are using two software applications. The first one is Shopify, which is an e-commerce platform where we can sell our products digitally. So in place of Shopify, we can even use WooCommerce, Gumroad, BigCommerce or any other e-commerce platform. And the second application we are using is MailerCloud, which is an email marketing service. So in place of MailerCloud, we can even use MailerLite, MailChimp or any other email marketing software. Okay. So how we are going to create an integration, this we will be learning in the further steps of the video. First, let us check this in the real time that how this complete process works automatically. So this is my Shopify store name Pabbly and this is my MailerCloud contact list where I have only 5 contacts over here. So now I want that whenever a new customer sign up to this particular store, that is my Pabbly store, automatically the customer should be added as a new contact here in my MailerCloud contact list. So I'm just going to create a new customer over here by clicking on the sign up button. Let's click on create account. I'll just give the first name as Adam, last name as Smith, email address as smithaddam22@gmail.com and let's give the password. Click on create. Okay, and here we can see that the customer is logged into the Pabbly store. So now let's go to the MailerCloud account. I'm just going to refresh it. Okay, I'll go to the contacts. And here we can find a new customer named Adam Smith is added over here in this particular contact list. So now here you might be wondering that I just sign up on the name of some new customer on my Shopify store over here and automatically the same customer is added as a new contact here in my MailerCloud account. So how did I manage to do this? Let me tell you, this has become possible just because of the automation and the integration process. So in order to create an integration between Shopify and MailerCloud, we are going to use a software application named Pabbly Connect. So basically, Pabbly Connect is an automation and integration software which will help us in integrating Shopify with MailerCloud automatically. The best part here is it doesn't require any coding skills or programming knowledge. Even a non-technical person can use this software application very easily. So first we have to create an integration between Shopify and Pabbly Connect. Then Pabbly Connect is going to capture the details of the new customer and using the details of the customer, a new contact will be created into the MailerCloud contact list. And in this way, we are going to learn that how we can create an integration between Shopify and MailerCloud using Pabbly Connect. So let us learn the integration process now. For this, let us type Pabbly, pabbly.com in our browser. This is the website of Pabbly. Here we have to come to products and click on Pabbly Connect. This is the landing page of Pabbly Connect. As you are the first time user, you have to click on sign up for free option. You can create your own account in just 2 minutes by clicking on this option. As I already have an account with Pabbly Connect, I'll simply click on sign in. In the all apps section, come to Pabbly Connect and click on access now. This is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Here we have to create a workflow. For that, come to this plus sign and click on create workflow. Now here we have to give a name to the workflow. So let us give the name as Shopify to MailerCloud integration. Here you can give the workflow name as per your requirement and simply click on create. Now here we can see a trigger window and an action window. So Pabbly Connect works on the concept of trigger and action. Trigger means when this happens, action means do this. So in this use case, we want the details of the customer to be captured from Shopify account. So open this trigger window And here in the Choose app, let us find Shopify. In the trigger event, we have to select new customer. Now here we can see a webhook URL and some instructions. So let us read the instructions. From your Shopify admin, go to the settings, notifications. In the webhook sections, click create a webhook. Select the event type as customers, create for, the format as JSON and place the above URL. Note, choose the latest version from webhook API version dropdown. Okay, for that I'll just copy this webhook URL from here. Okay, we'll go to the Shopify account. Here we'll have to come to the settings tab, click on settings. And here when we scroll down, we can find the notifications option. Click on notifications. Okay, and here we can search for the webhooks. So I'm just using Ctrl F to find the webhooks, or else we can scroll down. Okay, here we can find the webhooks and here we can find create webhook option. So simply click on create webhook. Now it is asking for the event. So here we are going to select the event as customer creation. Okay, the format will be JSON itself. Now here we are going to just paste the same webhook URL which we have copied from Pabbly Connect. And here in the webhook API version, we are just going to select the latest version. And let's click on save. Okay, webhook saved successfully. Okay, now let's move back to Pabbly Connect. And here we can see that it is waiting for the webhook response. So in order to capture the response, first let us go to the Shopify store and let us create a new customer or sign up on the name of a new customer. So I'll just go to the Shopify account. I'm just going to close this window. Okay, and here we are just going to visit the online store. Okay, here we are going to click on this account section. And instead of login, we are just going to create an account or a new account over here. That's a sign up. Here we are going to give the first name as Smita, last name as Sharma, email address as smitasharma11@gmail.com, and I'm just going to add the password over here. Okay, so if you want to add some more fields over here, you can add it as per your requirement, and I'm just using the basic field over here, that is the first name, last name and the email address of the customer. And let's click on create. Okay, and here we can see that Smita is logged into this particular store. So let's move back to Pabbly Connect. Okay, and here we can see that the response is received and the details of the customer or a new customer is captured over here. Okay, here we can find the first name, last name and the email address. So now we want that using all these details of the customer, a new contact should be created into the MailerCloud account. For that, come to this action window. Here in the Choose app, let us find MailerCloud. In the action event, we have to select Add Contact to List. Click on Connect. Click on Add New Connection. Now it is asking for the API key. So let us read the instructions. You can find API key under your MailerKit account. Navigate to the accounts, then integrations and click on the API integrations. Okay, so I'm just clicking on this API integrations over here. It will take me to my MailerCloud account. Okay, and here we can find the API key. So if you want to create a new API key, you can create it from here, or else we can use the same API key. So I'm just going to copy this API key from here. We will go back to Pabbly Connect and we will be pasting the same API key over here. Okay, and let's click on save. And now the MailerCloud account is connected to Pabbly Connect. Now here we have to select the list. So I'm just taking you to my MailerCloud account. Here we can find the audience option. Click on it and here we can find the list. So open the list over here. Now here I have already created some lists, that is FB Lead, Google Forms, Stripe, Shopify, MailChimp. So if you want to create a new list, by clicking on this create new list option, you can create a new list. So I have already created a list named Shopify. So I'm just going to use this particular list. Okay, here I'll just move to the contacts option. And here you can see that I have created just 3 contacts over here. So let us select this particular list, that is Shopify, here in Pabbly Connect. So I'm just going to find the same over here. Now here we have to give the email ID contact type and all other details of the customer. So we have already got the customer details from the Shopify account. So we are just going to map all these details now. So I'll just scroll down. Here in the email, let us map the email address of the customer, that is smitasharma11@gmail.com. The contact type as active over here. Okay. The first name as Smita. So let us map the first name. Here we are just going to map the last name. Let us find it from Shopify, and this was the last name, that is Sharma. So if you want to enter some more details over here, you can map it, okay? Or else I'll just scroll down, and here we have to click on Save and Send Test Request. Okay, and here we can see that the response is received. So now let us check our MailerCloud contact list, and I'm just going to refresh it. Let's go to the contacts. Okay, and here we can see Smita Sharma, a new contact is added to this particular list. So in this way, we can see that our integration is working fine. So let's move back to Pabbly Connect and let us save this workflow first. Data saved successfully. So now we have to check this in the real time. For that, we have to sign up our Shopify store on the name of some new customer. So I'm just going to the Shopify store. Okay, we are just going to sign out of this particular page. Okay, let's click on Logout. Okay, and now we are going to again sign up on the name of a new customer. Let's click on Create Account. Okay, and let's give the first name as Kuldeep, last name as Gupta, email address as kuldeepg58@gmail.com, and I'll just add the password over here. And let's click on Create. Okay, and here we can see that a new customer has been created and he is logged into our Shopify store. So now let us check our MailerCloud account. We are just going to refresh this particular page. Let's move to the contacts section. Okay, and here we can see that a new customer named Kuldeep is added to the MailerCloud contact list. And in this way, we can see that our integration is perfectly working fine. So let's move back to Pabbly Connect. And I will just minimize all these windows and let us see in a nutshell whatever we have done till now. So first we have created an integration between Shopify and Pabbly Connect. Then Pabbly Connect has captured all the details of the new customer, and using those details automatically a new contact is added to the MailerCloud contact list. And in this way we have created a successful integration between Shopify and MailerCloud using Pabbly Connect. So not just these software applications, you can integrate a ton of applications and automate your business with Pabbly Connect. In case of any queries, you can connect us to this Pabbly forum. To check the pricing details of Pabbly Connect, you can visit this particular URL. Also, the link of Pabbly Connect and this workflow is available in the description box. You can clone the same workflow into your account directly. If you really like this video and this video are helpful for you, then please comment, share and subscribe. Thank you everyone.